So the time has come for us to slowly but surely, see if you can see me, this way? Take our bits back. We started off with the watt bike, and this is how we stored our other bikes. This one is not fixed yet, but we're nearly there. I think I got the wrong chain for this gear, this cog thing. So I need to get myself a new cog, and then we should be in action. But we are going to return some of this kit now, slowly but surely, because eventually the gyms will open, but we're going to leave all the lifting bits in here, even though I haven't actually been lifting in the last few months, because obviously I have been at the gym, but I just haven't put too much content on my social platforms because I feel a bit bad. But we'll come back in here again. We are going to keep the weights. Bench will go back, get a new bench, bars, plates. These dumbbells will go back, we'll get new dumbbells. There's my indoor trainer. Don't know if I'm a fan about that, that might go back. But I'm gonna go train lower body, and I'll catch up with you at the end of the session. Peace. Recently, when I say recently, I mean yesterday. Komodo pump. It's a Savage non-stim pump inducer, apparently. But it's one of the best smelling and tasting pre-workouts I think I've ever owned. This was fantastic. It smells like, doesn't it smell good for you? Wish you could do like snatch and sniff, scratch and sniff.
Snatch.
It smells like just heaven-ish for a pre-workout.
Yeah,
Doesn't it?
Actually tastes like it actually tastes the same as it smells, which is very rare.
Pre-workout, a couple of jam jars.
Corona.
Go and do it.
I've never done this before, have you?
Yeah, loads of times. Hardcore. Ooh. Oh, she spat it back in.
Oh, that's absolutely horrible.
Backwash it. That's disgusting.
You do it then. See if you do it.
No,
go on, you do it.
No, because this isn't really
No, go on.
What you do.
Go on, you loser.
Because it's a solid
No,
thing.
you can do it. You know what, you're going to try hardest now. Yeah, see? You did it too.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God, that's horrible for dinner. Right. Anyway, we're going to be late for our gym session. So I'll see you after.
Is there no Cocoa Pops left?
I just want shredders today.
Oh, I'm going to have Cocoa Pops.
I want shredders. Session is done.
Did you know shredders get you shredded?
Shreddies get you shredded, yeah. 100%. Multi-grain, whole grains.
Oh, great. Finished
my rotation, number 2. Phoebe was training for all the hours. Mine was good, it's like reverse band SSBs. What else did I do today? SSBs. Banded dumbbell hamstring curls, extensions, bout squat, that was savage. So you had to 12, hit your max 12, then you had to not wrap the weights up and hold it for a further 10 to 15 seconds, then do a set of 5. Same again, set of 3. So basically you hit failure 3 different points throughout your workout. That was hard as hell. I have a simple 6 of these frozen berries though. Give them a turn around here and give them a shake. And some shredders. And that'll probably be our day. Make a lot of bike rides. I was going to go and try and move some kit around tomorrow, but I might do that on Monday.
Let's have a day off the gym.
Day off the gym. Day off the gym tomorrow.
Day off the gym.
Anyway, after that. What's going on, people? We are now on Sunday. What did we do yesterday? We didn't do a great deal in it yesterday. We returned our watt bike, obviously, back to the gym. Then Phoebe did all the kilometres on it. I trained lower body. Today, we're going for a 50 kilometre. Don't know why it's in kilometres, because I don't work in kilometres. Our pals work in kilometres. So we're going for a 50 kilometre.
Which is about 31 miles.
31 mile bike ride in Stowe. But it is so windy. Like ridiculously windy. And the weather isn't ideal, so it's going to be
Well, it's sunny so far.
I don't know, look at that.
Yeah.
It's like sunny slash rain, shower. Horrid.
Wow, it's just cloudy and chance of rain.
But we bought the drone today, and we are going to try out for the first time in 2 years now, which I've been meaning to do it, the follow me function. So after this, we should have some drone footage. If we don't, and it's me, it means we've fucked it up. View with some drone footage, and I'll catch up with you later. What's going on, people? Next day now. We've come to Warwick to sign for something which we probably shouldn't sign for right now, but if I don't sign for it now, we'll regret it in later life. And I did a video saying there's never the perfect time, right? So I need to live by my own videos. So it should be an exciting future. Where's Phoebe gone? As per usual, she's taking ages. But I'm meeting my solicitor here at FWX Warwick because it's closer to us both, and obviously due to COVID, all the offices are closed. Sign my life away for the God knows how many times now. And then hope for the best. Well, not hope for the best, work our asses off.
Oh, you got my lace. You can walk.
Oh yeah, I've got a picture of it. So we've got when it's signed. Going on. We're back at FWX Warwick again. Got a flat tire on my bike the other day, so we can't go on our bicycle rides. So we've come to do like a Metcon at the gym, 40-minute NG kind of Metcon. I was going to fill you in on our run and our EMOM in the car, but I was ravenous, and so was Phoebe. So we came back and had some chicken and some wraps. It wasn't too bad. I made it round alive anyway. The bike's helping a bit, but I got out the car and had calf cramp in both calves. Did it in 13 minutes, 1.55 miles. Around that race course, with a hill right at the very, very end, which was fantastic. So I thought we were over, then we came around the corner and there's a hill, like so, all the way up. Exercise, all we've done. Woke up, walked the dogs, went and lifted, came home, ate, EMOM, run, ate, shopping, bed. YouTube bed. It's our life. Hopefully not much longer though.